Make surround sound wireless. Surround sound speakers are great to have for home theater systems. It is also good to have if you host a lot of parties at home and you want to play loud music. However, the wires on the surround sound speakers can limit you with the placement. You can make your surround sound speakers wireless so you can have more freedom to place your speakers anywhere. Find out how to do this by reading the instructions below. Purchase a conversion kit. The first thing that you have to do is to buy a wireless speaker conversion kit. When purchasing, you need to make sure that the kit you buy is compatible with the kind of surround sound speakers that you have. Just to make sure, write down the model and type of surround sound speakers that you have and then ask for assistance when you are buying. They will aid you in getting the right conversion kit for your speakers. Install the transmitter. Familiarize yourself first with the different components of your speakers and wireless kit. Get the wireless transmitter and attach the wires from the amplifier to the transmitter. You have to connect the wires to the right jacks. Just consult the user's manual if you are having trouble locating it. Attach receiver to your speakers. Prepare your speakers and attach the speaker wires to the receiver from the wireless kit that you purchased. Connect the red wire for positive and the silver one for the negative. Secure them well in place. Plug in components. Plug all the components to the power source and turn them all on. This includes the speakers and the wireless receiver. You can use a power strip to plug all the components. This is also helpful to avoid power surges. Mount the surround sound speakers. The next step is to mount the surround sound speakers in the location that you want. When choosing a location, make sure that there are no obstructions that can prevent the receiver from getting signals from the transmitter. Steer clear of walls and thick objects. Secure the speakers properly and then you can test your wireless speakers. For better results, you must place the speakers within the room where the receiver and transmitter are. Test the speakers. Turn on the radio or pop a DVD in your player to see if your new wireless surround sound speakers work well. If you are having problems, try positioning the speakers on another location or double-check the connection of the wiring if you have attached to in the right places. Now you can listen to music or watch a movie without having to deal with plenty of wires that can make your house appear cluttered. When you purchase the wireless kit, make sure that it is of good quality so that you can listen to good sound when you are using the speakers. Determine the range of the wireless kit so that you can purchase the one that is most ideal for the space you have in your home.